Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. This is the last and sixth video lecture of EVS Chapter 4 Class 4. In this video, we will discuss notebook work. So let's start. On the very first page, write Chapter 4 and name of the chapter, the story of Amrita in the middle of the page and date on the top left corner. On the second page, you will draw mind map of the chapter as I have drawn. After that, you will paste map of India and mention Rajasthan as largest state of India and Goa as smallest state of India. On the right bottom side of the map, you will make key. Key means you will make box for colors which you are using to fill Rajasthan and Goa. Now open your next page, write heading keywords. Number 1 is Khejadli. Number 2, Khejadi tree. 3, fearlessly. 4, threatened. 5, blackbuck. 6, Jodhpur. 7, Rajasthan. 8, survive. 9, strangers. 10, whisper. Now open next page, write section knowledge. Question is, what are the features and uses of Khejadi tree? Answer is, the Khejadi tree is found mainly in the desert area and its uses are, it can grow without much water, people cook and eat its fruit, animals eat the leaves of Khejadi tree and children love to play in its shade. Its bark is used for making medicines. The next question is, which community worship Khejadi tree? Answer is, people of Bishnoi community worship Khejadi trees. The next question is, name the countries where we find Khejadi trees. The name of the countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan and United Arab Emirates. The next question is, what is the difference between afforestation and deforestation? The answer is, afforestation means grow trees at large scale and deforestation means cutting down the forest at large scale. Coming forward, write section understanding and the question is, why do people hunt? And kids, do you remember this question we have discussed in last video? People hunt animals for their meat, skin and bones. In ancient times, people used to hunt animals just for fun, which is morally wrong. Next question is, why the number of birds are reducing due to changes in the environment. And this question we have also discussed in last video. After that, what do you mean by ecosystem? And kids, you know an ecosystem is made up of all the living and non-living things in an area. It refers to the relationship between living and non-living components of the environment. For example point, after that write heading section analyze. The question is, write down the difference between hunting and poaching. Hunting is defined as killing or capturing of wild animals legally. Poaching is defined as illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals. And hunting can be done to remove predators that can be dangerous to humans or domestic animals. And poaching decreases the population of animals. The next question, write down the difference between animals and insects. Animals have 4 legs, for example, cat and dog. Insects have 6 or 8 legs, for example, cockroaches and housefly. Animals can walk or run while insects can crawl or fly. Question is, there are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why do you think there is this punishment? Let's discuss the reason why punishment is necessary. Due to excessive hunting, some species of animals such as tigers, lions and elephants are on the verge of extinction. To save them, the government has set rules against hunting, but some people ignore these rules and illegally hunt animals. There should be appropriate punishment to stop such people from hunting. The next question is, we depend on plants and animals in many ways. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? Give your views. The answer is no. It is not possible for us to survive without trees and animals. Trees are very important for us as they provide oxygen for breathing. They also give us fruits, vegetables, wood, and various other products. Similarly, animals provide meat, eggs, dairy products, wool, etc. They are also used by humans for various other purposes such as carrying loads, protecting house from thieves. Students, now you will do the notebook work on your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. After notebook work, you will prepare this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for listening and watching.